In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Uber promo voucher code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so you got your Uber promo or voucher code and you don't know where to put it, follow along. So from here, open up your Uber app and now just continue using Uber as you normally would. So I'm just going to say where to. I'm just going to put in just a random address where I'm at the moment. So Mount Barker, it's going to gather options. Now I can choose a ride. So before you choose your ride, you want to scroll down and click onto where your credit or debit card details are. So I'm going to click into that. And now if I scroll down again, it will say add voucher code. So this is where you want to add in your voucher code. Put in your voucher code here. So enter the code in order to claim and use your voucher. And then click on continue. And then once you've done that, it will take you back to where you choose your ride and just confirm your Uber or UberX or whichever service inside Uber you're going to use.